Did you know that you could get up to $5 million to fund your business idea? Well, if you wait until the end of this video, you'll find out exactly how. What's good, everybody? It's Vaughn, and this is where you get that knowledge that you don't get in college. So go ahead and scroll into the description, click the link next to WeBull, and collect your 12 free stocks. When I started on my business journey, obtaining funding was what allowed me to grow exponentially. If I were to just continue running my business based off of the capital that I had in my pocket, then I wouldn't have been able to acquire as much inventory so that I could grow at an exponential rate. In the beginning, I used business credit card that had a 0% introduction rate, but those require a hard pull and you have to personally guarantee those products. So if you don't have good credit, it would be difficult to go that route. But today I'm providing a solution for those of you that may not have a great credit score. And even if you do, you can take advantage of what I have in store too. The fellas over at Big Think Capital have a variety of products for you to choose from, whether you'd like to fund your business venture or acquire more real estate. Big Think Capital is a financial institution that provides revenue-based lending. So a hard pull is not required in order to qualify for one of their products. But these products are only for those of you that want to dominate in 2024. So if you're not looking to put yourself in position to capitalize on the opportunities that are going to present themselves in 2024, then don't even think about it. Just to be clear, the information I'm providing is up to date as of this recording. The terms and conditions of each product may change over time. Here's just a few of the products that they provide. Number one, Invoice Financing. It allows you to unlock immediate cash against your current unpaid invoices, improving your cash flow and enabling you to seize new business opportunities. In order to obtain this product, you need to be in business for at least 3 months, generate at least $50,000 annually, and there's no FICO score required. The required documents are an application, the 4 most recent bank statements, and an AR summary. Invoice financing from Big Think Capital is a way to get money quickly based on lemonade you've already sold, but haven't been paid for yet. Imagine you sold lemonade to 10 friends and they promise to pay you next week, but you need money today to buy more lemonade and sugar. With invoice financing, Big Think Capital gives you money now for those sales, and when your friends pay you next week, you give the money back plus a little extra for the help. This is different from a line of credit, which is like having a money pool you can use whenever you need, or an equipment financing, which helps you buy specific things like a new juicer. Unlike a term loan that gives you a chunk of money for big plans you pay back over time, or an SBA loan that's a big help for growing your lemonade stand into a lemonade store with friendly payback terms. Invoice financing is all about turning what you've already sold but haven't been paid for yet into cash you can use right now. It's a quick way to keep lemonade flowing even when waiting for your friends to pay you back. Number two, merchant cash advance. It's not a traditional loan, but a way to access capital quickly with payments made as a percentage of each sale. With this product, you can get between $3,000 and $2 million. You'd use it for working capital, expansion, payroll, debit, or inventory. And the turnaround time is 24 to 28 hours. Your company will need to make at least $5,000 on a monthly basis. There's no minimum FICO score required. The documents required for this product is an application and 4 most recent bank statements. With the merchant cash advance, imagine you have a lemonade stand and you want to buy a fancy new juicer to make more lemonade faster, but you don't have enough money right now. This is where a merchant cash advance from Big Think Capital comes in handy. They give you the money you need up front to buy the juicer. In return, you agree to give them a small piece of your lemonade sales regularly, like a tiny bit every day or every week, until you pay back the whole amount they gave you plus a little extra for their help. This way you get the cool juicer you want now and you pay back a small fixed amount regularly, making it easy for you to manage. Number three, term loans. A traditional loan structure where you pay back the loan amount with regular payments over a specific period, including interest. Product information. You need to make at least $100,000 on an annual basis. You would have to be in business for at least 2 years and have at least a 620 FICO score. The required documents are an application, 6 months business bank statements, 1 year personal tax returns, 2 years business tax returns, and a debt form if you're paying off other lenders. A term loan from Big Think Capital is a way to get money you need for expanding your lemonade stand, like getting a new stand, more cups, and lots of lemons. You agree to give a little money back every month until all the money plus a little extra is paid back. For context, an SBA loan is perfect for big dreams like friendly terms. An MCA is good for getting money quickly, and a line of credit is great for having a safety net for any surprise expenses. A term loan is great for knowing exactly how much you'll pay back each month. Number 4, equipment financing. Specifically designed for acquisition of business equipment or car loans, aiding the seamless operation and expansion of your business. Product information. There's no loan amount because it's based off of the value of the assets that you're acquiring. The use would be for equipment purchasing. The funding time is within 2 weeks. Your business needs to make at least $10,000 per month, and the minimum FICO score is 625. The required documents are an application, 4 months bank statements, and an invoice. Equipment financing from Big Think Capital is perfect for when you need to buy new tools or a bigger stand for your lemonade business. Unlike an SBA loan, which is like a big helping hand for growing your lemonade stand into a lemonade empire with lower interest rates and a longer time to pay back, equipment financing is specifically for buying stuff you need to make your lemonade. On the other hand, a terminal gives you money for any big plan you have, and you pay it back little by little, but it's not specifically for buying equipment. A merchant cash advance gives you money up front quickly, and you pay back a small piece regularly, which is great for getting money fast, but isn't specifically for buying things. Lastly, a line of credit is like a money pool you can use whenever you need, especially when unexpected costs pop up. But again, it's not designed just for buying equipment. So if you need a new juicer or a bigger stand, equipment financing is the way to go, as it's tailored just for such purchases, making it a great choice for gearing up your lemonade stand. Number 5, SBA loan. Ideal for long-term investments, these low-interest loans are perfect for acquiring fixed assets like real estate, equipment, or machinery. There's 3 different types of SBA loans: the SBA Boost, SBA Fast Track, and SBA 72504. The SBA Boost allows you to get loans up to $500,000. You need at least a 640 FICO score, 2 years in business, and profitable tax returns. This product also allows you to get capital within 30 days or less. For this product, you need to fill out 2 applications, one for the SBA and one for Big Think Capital. You'd need a debt schedule, personal financial statement, 2 years of business and personal tax returns, a copy of your ID, and a voided check. With the SBA Fast Track, you can get between $50,000 and $150,000. This product is used for working capital. The funding time is between 2 and 4 weeks. The annual gross revenue is 50% of the loan amount, and you need at least a 675 FICO score. The documents required for this product is a Big Think Capital application, SBA application, driver's license, voided check from business bank account, personal financial statement, Form 1919, articles of organization, operating agreement, the most recent tax returns for your business and personal, as well as your EIN letter. For the SBA 72504, the loan amount goes up to $5 million. For the SBA 72504, the loan goes up to $5 million, and it can be used for debt consolidation, working capital, and a variety of other things. Funding times are between 45 and 90 days, and the minimum FICO score is 625. With this product, you'll need a Big Think Capital application, SBA application. You'd have to fill out Form 1919, 3 months bank statements, your profit and loss and balance sheet from 2022, a debt schedule, your personal financial statement, and 2 years personal and business tax returns, as well as your ID, a voided check, and the EIN letter. An SBA loan is a special kind of loan that's supported by the government to help small business owners like your lemonade stand grow bigger. The government doesn't lend you money directly, but they work with Big Think Capital to make the loan easier to get and pay back. So with an SBA loan, you can borrow money to get a bigger lemonade stand, more juicers, and a lot of lemons. You have a long time to pay the money back, and the amount you have to pay back each time is friendly to your lemonade stand's wallet. Number 6, line of credit, a flexible financial solution that allows you to use funds for any purpose up to the maximum loan balance, providing a safety net for unexpected expenses. Product information. With the line of credit, you can get loan amounts between $5,000 and $2 million. This product can be used for working capital, bridge, cushion, and inventory. The funding time is between 24 and 48 hours. The monthly revenue required is $10,000, and you need to have a minimum FICO score of at least 650. The required documents is an application, 4 most recent business bank statements, and an AR summary. A line of credit from Big Thick Capital is like having a money pool that you can dip into whenever you need some extra cash for your lemonade stand. Maybe one day you run out of sugar or cups and you need to buy more to keep selling lemonade. Unlike equipment financing, which is for buying special things like a new juicer, or a term loan, which gives you a chunk of money for big plans that you pay back over time. A line of credit is there for you whenever you face unexpected costs or opportunities. It's flexible and allows you to use money for anything that comes up, and you only pay back what you use. Compared to an SBA loan, which is a big helping hand for large growth plans with friendly payback terms, a line of credit is more about having a safety net for the day-to-day runnings of your lemonade stand. It's like having a rainy day fund that helps ensure your lemonade stand keeps running smoothly no matter what comes your way. Number 7, commercial real estate. With this product, you can secure a loan against commercial real estate to purchase, refinance, or renovate properties, enhancing your business assets. Product information. You can get a loan amount up to $50 million. The property may or may not be owner occupied, and you will need a FICO score of at least 650. And we're talking about big money now, so there's going to be quite a few documents required in order to obtain this product. You'll need an application, 6 months bank statements, copy of your last appraisal completed for the subject property, executed purchase and sale agreement or the LOI, a corporate tax return for 2021, 2022, or 2020 and 2021. Interim profit and loss for 2023 covering the periods of January 1st, 2021 through April 30th of 2023, or the current date. Your current balance sheet, rent roll for the subject property, current lease agreement for the subject property, property operating statements for the subject property, property operating statement for the subject property, personal income tax returns for 2021 and 2022, or 2020 and 2021. If your tax return hasn't been filed yet for 2022, then a copy of the tax filing extension will be required. And you need to provide a copy of your personal financial statement. Commercial real estate finance for Big Thick Capital is like getting a big jar of money to help you buy a place where you can set up your bigger lemonade stand or even a whole lemonade shop. Instead of saving up for a long time to buy a place, you get the money you need now, and then you pay back a little bit of that money over a long time. These are just a few of the products that they provide at Big Think Capital. If any of these products sparked your interest and you think it'll be useful for you in your day-to-day operation, go ahead and scroll into the description, click the link next to Big Think Capital, complete the application so that we can get you funded ASAP. Other than that, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new post. And make sure that you build a foundation so that you're no longer stuck on a plantation.